Hello friends, welcome back to Cammy's Garage. Exactly 1 year ago today, July 11th, I uploaded my first YouTube video to Cammy's Garage YouTube channel. So I'm celebrating 1 year of Cammy's Garage by doing a giveaway. That's right, I'm going to give away this wooden sculpture I made a while ago. Unfortunately, you have to go over to Instagram to participate. In addition to the giveaway, I'm having a sale on my Etsy store. Almost everything you've seen me build in Cammy's Garage is for sale. On top of the already ridiculously low prices, I'm having a 10% off sale for the next week. Wow! 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 A lot of my fellow makers use Patreon as a way for the viewer to support their channel. Now traditionally, patrons have supported artists simply by buying their art. In lieu of doing Patreon, the best thing that you can do to support me and the channel is to buy my art. So head over to my online store. I'm sure you can find something that you like within your budget. I mean, I'm practically giving this stuff away. Wow! 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 When I started this channel, I had no idea what to expect. Of course, I hoped for fame and fortune. I don't know, I might get there yet, who knows. But I wanted to say a sincere thank you to everyone who has been supporting the channel, watching, liking, commenting, and just giving me general support. I'm really enjoying what I'm doing here, and I hope you enjoy watching. Hopefully you'll stay tuned to see me do more projects in Cammy's Garage.